everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because today I'm talking about one of my favorite subjects that I've been talking about for a long time here on my channel, and that would be Amazon. Guys, I'm passionate about Amazon. I know it's convenient, it is everything I need. It's always way cheaper on Amazon, let's be real here. So I don't want to go on too rambling, but I do want to let you guys know that Prime Day is coming up. Editing, clearly. I wanted to hop on here and tell you guys that Prime Day already started, so check out my description box. Why do I look like Princess Leia? Actually, no, I look like Princess Leia and like the dude in Star Wars, like together. So be sure you follow me on Instagram because I will be posting about all the Prime Day stuff because I love me some Prime Day. And then also I'll be updating my blog, so be sure you check out the blog. And let's go ahead and hop into my beauty favorites from Amazon. So the first thing I'm going to start out with is my Dermaplaning facial razors. Is that what they're called? 40 or something like that razors for I think $7 when I was originally paying like way too much money. I think it was like $4 for 3 because it was the Chic razors. I would get them delivered to my house on Amazon, like subscription. And then one day I had like this idea. I was like, wonder if I can find it cheaper. You can. Shaving your face, it's kind of like an exfoliant, but also is an anti-aging thing. Guys often age slower than women because they do have the exfoliating that happens when they are shaving. So that's why we shave. For the skin, and honestly, it makes your face feel so good. Your makeup goes on so well. I'm obsessed with it, and I highly, highly, highly recommend those. You guys, yeah, this is my toothbrush. I love my toothbrush. There's not a lot of things to say about it. I have very sensitive gums, and this toothbrush with the toothbrush head, they're not like the Colgate Oral-B. They're not the Oral-B heads. I just ordered like the dupes that you can buy on Amazon. I'll be sure to link those in the description box too. Dentist suggested this exact toothbrush to me, and then I did a brand deal last Christmas with this toothbrush, and I'm still using it. I have this all kind of looped up together because I'm like, it's not as cool to say like top 18, you know, like top 15 is way more exciting. I've been experimenting with my curtain bangs. As you guys know, I'm a curtain bang gal now, and I am going to do an entire video basically talking about how I style them and the ways I recommend. Unfortunately, I am a split down the middle 3 ways. They all give me a different effect. Actually, more so these two, but I do love this thing. This is the Revlon, I'm not sure what it's called, but it's just blow dries your hair and it straightens it at the same time. I used it yesterday and it makes my hair so soft. Oh. It also brushes your hair while you do it. It's amazing. These two things right here. I ordered this round brush. It is the Fixed Body Nanotechnology. I think it's like 3-inch brush. I use them also with a blow dryer to dry this, but sometimes when I travel I don't feel like packing a blow dryer, so I utilize this. I ordered this after using my friend Megan's Dyson Airwrap, and I don't have $400 just laying around right now for that, so I ordered the dupe on Amazon. Do I think this is amazing? Do I think you get what you pay for? Absolutely. I think I paid $40 because there was a coupon, but the thing is it kind of does burn your fingers because it's not made like the most amazing. The reviews are really good. I've really enjoyed it. This is good for on the go to style these. Obviously in a video I'll be showing you guys how I do each and every type of technique because obviously not everyone has 3 different techniques for blow drying their curtain bangs. And the next thing I have to talk about is the DP Hue root touch-up. So my hair is naturally pretty light. I call it a strawberry brunette, if you will. And my roots show so easily, but I don't want to go to the salon every 6 weeks. I don't really have the time or patience for that. So what do? I actually love this. I discovered this last year and it's changed my life. It used to only be available on Ulta, and then I think Sephora got it as well, and then now it's available on Amazon. So, I mean, is it perfect? No, but does it get the job well done? And it also works for 2 applications. So $30, 2 applications, $15. I do it about a month after I get my hair done, and then I do it a month after that. So then my hair lasts 2.5 to 3 months before I have to go back to the salon. Now I'm back, and let's talk about my fashion favorites. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is the jewelry favorite, and I'm actually wearing them right now. I don't even ever really take these 2 earrings out. One of them is from Lily Clasp, and that is like the bedazzled version of these huggy earrings, and then the other ones are from Amazon. The ones from Lily Clasp were about $65 or something like that, which I do highly recommend these. I love them like so much, but I wanted to find just like a plain gold version. I almost found them elsewhere. I can't even remember where I looked, but I ended up finding these ones for $25, and I love them. I'm not entirely sure of the brand, but I got them on Amazon Prime and they are great. So let's not look at my stretched hole, but you see those gold ones? Amazing. I love them, and I think they're really good quality for $23. They really have not left my ear. My big hoop earrings leave my ear every single day, but my huggy earrings do not. You guys, I could not do an Amazon favorites without talking about my Corten favorite leggings. These are amazing. I think they retail for about $25 to $35 depending on the style and everything. Love them. They are comparable to Aloe Yoga in my opinion. They're super soft. I did an entire review over on my blog. If you want to check that out, I go over every single item and tell you like my honest rating about it. And one of my favorite things were the leggings. I have them in pretty much like every color possible. They suck you in and they don't give you a camel toe. So need I say more? Not really. You guys, I could not do an entire favorites video also without talking about our quarantine pajamas that we all ordered. These are these tie-dye fleece pajamas. They are so soft. I wore this basically all at the beginning of quarantine. I had 2 different onesies that were tie-dyed. These ones are my favorite because of the fabric. They are so freaking soft. These were, I think, like $28, which is not bad. You can go to like Walmart and spend $25 on a onesie and it's gonna be, no offense, but not good. I felt them while I was there because, you know, I love a good Walmart moment. I could pet it all day long, but I won't because that would be a very boring video. And then we have the shoulder pad tee. I ordered this a few months ago and I haven't even talked about it here on my YouTube channel yet. This is so good. I wanted a black t-shirt last minute and I was just like, whatever, we'll just try this one on Amazon, and actually very, very impressed. Would I say it's as good as Mango, which is about $30? I wouldn't put it on Mango level for my shoulder pad t-shirts, but I would definitely say this is better than that Nasty Gal one I got. Kind of see the padding here, 18 bucks. I would say this is just a great contender for what it is. And the final thing for my fashion favorites is this mask. Now, I don't know if this is considered a fashion favorite, but I love this mask. This was the first mask that I purchased that wasn't a surgical mask, and I love this one because it is just like a simple linen, which is really, really nice because it kind of goes with everything. It's got the adjustable ear holes, so it's not like pulling and giving you headaches. And it's got the flexible nose piece and also a filter, so you can replace this and use it to filter out, you know, all that bad juju. You know, there's a lot of debate on whether cloth masks actually help, but I do feel a little bit better knowing that there is a filter in here and that you can change it. It's basically like a panty liner for your mask, and I think this was like $18, and when I lost it I bought another one because I love it so much. Home stuff. I love a good home moment. First thing I got because of your recommendation, it is the Folex, and I get a lot of questions about having a white couch, and because whenever I lived in LA I had a white couch and I was like, I will never ever get a white couch ever again. Fast forward 4 or 5 years later, here I am with a white couch. The reason it is still white to this very moment is because of Folex. You guys recommended it to me. I purchased it instantly. It is an instant carpet spot remover, but you can actually use it on upholstery. Cody was eating a sprinkle cookie on our couch right when we first got this couch, and the sprinkle fell onto the couch and it stained it. I was about to kill him, but instead I used Folex, and instead of having to go to you know, jail with a murder charge, I only used just a little bit of this and saved a life. So it's so good. It's so good. Apparently you can get it at Lowe's as well, but I've never seen it there. I've also never looked, but you can get it on Amazon and it's the best thing ever. It is worth every single penny. I swear by it, and I will never ever go back. Next thing is this Avocado Pitter. I've been too scared to cut my own avocados for pretty much my entire life up until quarantine. I ordered this because I've heard so many like horror stories about people cutting themselves when they are pitting their avocados. And while this isn't like 100% like works every time, because you know how sometimes the avocado pit just doesn't want to do it, I do really recommend this. This was like $6. You can cut it, you can scoop it, you can get the little pitter out with the middle of it. It's great. Next thing I am going to talk about is the lovely plant to my right. I got this on Amazon for about $150 and I'm very impressed with it. I've seen a lot of bad fake plants in my days and I don't really think that one is that bad. Here's the beautiful plant. Do you see it? Oh, she looks pretty good. She looks pretty good. It's the exact height that I needed it to be. I just wish it was a little bit fuller, but I mean, let's be realistic here. If I had a real plant, it would not have that many leaves because they all would have turned yellow by now. On my bed, I have a off-white duvet and a comforter I purchased on Amazon also during quarantine. And I just wasn't finding, like, everything I was finding was very white, and I didn't need that because my room is very retro in my opinion, so I wanted something a little bit more off-white. When it came in the mail, I was like, holy crap, this is so yellow. But once I got on the bed, you guys, chef's kiss. The total I think was about $70. The comforter is perfect. I'm going to reorder it whenever we need a new comforter. Duvet, flawless. If you sweat a lot of your self tanner off pretty much and stains your sheets, this is just like the perfect value in my opinion. Does it feel like a hotel bed? In my opinion it does, but I'm also not really picky when it comes to bedding. I have a dog who likes to puke on my bed, which is great because I got Folex, but also, you know, it's nice knowing that even if it does get stained, it's not the end of the world. And the final thing are my ring and my Amazon Show combination. I'm sure during Amazon Prime Day, there's going to be a lot of the, you know, Amazon electronics on sale. So I definitely recommend the doorbell. It's changed my life. I hate answering the door. I also am super paranoid, which I think is super reasonable this day and age. So we have a bunch of cameras surrounding our house just because that's the kind of person I am. The next thing I want to get is one of the ones that are like a floodlight by our parking place, since it's East Nashville. Cars like to get broken into. It's really fun. I love them. I love that when I'm in the kitchen and there's someone at the door, the show shows me exactly who's at the front door, so I know if like I should answer it. Most of the times I don't because it's my package being delivered. I obviously love my new sink, but I'm pretty sure you guys don't want me talking about that sink anymore because I talked about it so much before. But that is my favorites from Amazon right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure you stick around by subscribing. Let me know if there's anything that you want me to try out from Amazon next, because I'm happy to do so. And until next time, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!